Did you guys like my eyes for today? They are purple. Can you tell that I'm wearing purple contact lenses? You guys see how pale I look? You guys, I'm dying. What is this? Yikes. This is because I don't get out in the sun enough. I am so pale. You guys, what is happening? Hi guys. What's up? How are you doing? So in today's video I wanted to share with you my unboxing, that is the opening of my Bodybox box. So redundant. I know it's super late because this is the December box, that is the Christmas edition box, but hey, you know what they say, better late than never, right? So I know I've been away, I know I haven't been uploading, I have been filming but I didn't really like what I did, but I want to keep it up with the channel. I really like making videos, I really like the interaction with you guys, so I thought what easier way to come back to the channel than with an unboxing, because I feel like these kind of videos are super easy to do, but also they are very interesting and happy, and I don't know, I just really like this type of videos. So I thought, let's do an unboxing to come back with a bang to the channel. This is my December body box, and as you can see it's written here Navidad, that is Christmas, because this is a Christmas edition box. If you want to know what came in my December body box, if you want to know my first impressions, you want to see swatches and all that good stuff, then just keep on watching. The box for this month is the same old black matte box that we get each month. They haven't done any sort of special design for Christmas or anything. It's the same old black box. Now, as always, the first thing we get is this pamphlet or this paper where you get some discount codes, and also you get like a short brief explanation of what the products are, how they work, the price and all that good stuff. So the first thing that I see right off the bat is this URIAGE or URIAGE kit, and I'm really interested in this brand because I just recently used up their micellar water and I just fell in love with the product. It was just so good. It was just amazing quality, so I'm really excited to see more things of this brand so I can try them out. So the two things that come in this little package is this Eau Thermal water hand cream, which says it moisturizes and protects and softens the skin, and it also has this lipstick. It's a moisturizing lipstick. So obviously these two things come really handy in the winter, because you know, with the cold weather our hands get dry, our lips get dry. I've personally been having the driest, crackiest lips and hands this winter, so this will really come in handy for me. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. So this pack comes with the hand cream, which is 30 milliliters, that is 1 liquid ounce, and then the moisturizing lipstick, that is 4 grams, that is 4.14 ounces. I always get super confused with the ounces thingy, because here in Europe we use the grams and the kilograms, so it's really confusing for me. But yeah, this package of these two things is €6.90, and I think it's really cool that they made like this care package for the winter. I really like it. The next thing that I want to show you is this one right here. This is by the brand SENSILIS, and is the Lift Effect Cream Makeup. So that's really interesting, because I don't know if it's a cream with color, like a sort of BB cream or CC cream, or it's just makeup with a lifting effect. That is really interesting for me. It says right here in the box that it's dermatologically tested, so that's pretty cool. So reading the back of the box, it says that it's a Lift Effect Cream Makeup. So it is a foundation, which this is really strange for me, because you know, makeup is supposed to stay on your skin, but it's not supposed to sink in or penetrate the skin. It's supposed to, you know, stay, give you a flawless look, whatever. But creams, especially age-defying creams or lift effect creams, are supposed to penetrate the skin, you know, penetrate the deeper, or you know, the deeper layers of the skin in order to get to the cells of the skin and just do their thing, do their treatment work. So it's really strange for me that a makeup which cannot penetrate the skin has a lifting effect which, in order to happen, has to penetrate the skin. Does that make sense? It's really weird for me. So right off the bat, like, first impression is I don't trust this product. It's weird. It's a weird concept for me. So it comes with this tiny thingy. I do not know the word in English for this thing. It's like a scoop device. Oh, look at me, science. It's like this scooping device. Because, you know, all of the creams or makeups that you have in a crystal jar like this, it is better to scoop them out with a tool than to just put your finger in it. Just in order to avoid bacteria buildup and all that bad stuff. So it is a cream makeup. It's very creamy, very messy, and I just don't know about the shade. This is clearly not a match for me. I'm trying not to get it on my shirt. I hope you can see the swatch. I just swatch it right here, and it is clearly too dark for me. It's super duper dark, very dark, chocolate dark. I don't know why they thought that will suit me at all, because, you know, you fill this test when you subscribe to these boxes and they ask you about your skin tone, and I clearly didn't say hazelnut or anything like that. So I don't know, this does not match me at all, so I won't be using this product, which is sad, but oh well, there you go. It says here in the pamphlet that this makeup is a 3-in-1 kind of thing. It has high coverture or high coverage, and it has a moisturizing effect and immediate lifting effect. But obviously I won't be using the product just because it doesn't match me. So I don't know, if I give it to someone, I will let you know what they think about it. But the price for this product, so this contains 30 milliliters, which is I don't know how much ounces, but I will put it down here somewhere. But it's just the usual amount of product you will expect in a foundation, but it's 36.50 cents. 36 euros and 50 cents. That is expensive for me. It's not that expensive because, for example, I use the Estée Lauder's Double Wear, and that is around, what, 40 euros, something like that. So, but I don't find that expensive just because it's a really good makeup. It doesn't promise you any lifting effect or anything else. It's like, they're like, we're a good makeup, we'll make your skin look good, and I'm like, okay, cool, but it doesn't make any other promises that I don't know if they can hold up to. So I don't know, I'm super hesitant about this product. I'm like, I don't really trust it, and I won't be using it because it doesn't match me. So what ifs, but it's really expensive. I don't know, kind of a disappointment. Next thing that I want to show you is this thing right here, and these are some gold eye patches. That is under eye area patches. These one are hyaluronic, that is a long word for me, guys. Hyaluronic acid, and they are deep moisturizing, wrinkle smoothing, and power age defying. So I find that I really like any type of eye patch or eye gel thingy. I used ones from Mercadona, which is like a Spanish Walmart, and I will put the image somewhere around here, and I really like those. Like, they're really moisturizing and they have this cooling effect, and they're really cool, they're really good. But I'm super excited to try this because I don't know, or I don't believe I have ever used anything from DIZAO Natural. I don't know, it's pretty exciting, and I'm really excited to use this. Also, I have been having trouble sleeping. I am lacking sleep. I have this kind of insomnia thing going. It's really bad. I've been sleeping like 2 or 3 hours each day, which is not good. So I have these very dark under eye circles and bags all day, every day, which is not cute. So hopefully this will help me. So this just comes super in handy right now. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try these ones. So it says in the pamphlet that these are 100% collagen and hyaluronic acid. They are €0 and 75 cents. They are 75 cents, which is like pretty inexpensive for an eye patch. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out. And also, before I move on to the next product, I can see right here that they have the not tested on animals little drawing. They have the happy bunny. So I am really happy for that, because every day I see more and more companies jumping on the train of the non-testing on animals train. What? I am really happy they are not tested on animals. I am vegan, so that's right up my alley. I am really happy, and that's like a bonus point to the product. I already like it more. So I'm really excited for this product. So the next product that I want to show you is this one right here. It comes in this tiny bottle, and it's by Natural Easy. That is the brand. I don't know of it. And it's this body oil made up with red grape oil, essential oil. So yeah, it's cute, it's cool. And if you read the ingredient list right here, it says it contains Vitis vinifera essential oil, that is red grape. That's cool, because it's just not promising we have grape oil. It does actually have grape essential oil in it, which is pretty cool. This one contains 50 milliliters. And its price is €4 and 65 cents, which is pretty good for a body oil which has so much essential oils, because you know essential oils are pretty expensive. I am not a body oil person. I don't especially enjoy oils for the body. They're really good. They work really good. I use almond oil all the time. I use coconut oil all the time. But I'd rather use lotion, or I'd rather use just cream. Plain old cream, plain old lotion. But this is very exciting. I think I have never tried red grape essential oil before, so that's pretty exciting. Also, my hands are getting like super oily just by touching the little jar, and it smells amazing, so there's that. And the last product that I want to show you is this one right here. So this is by the brand KIOMA Makeup, which I haven't ever heard of. I think there's a lot of new brands coming in these body boxes, am I right? And this one is their definition mascara. That is, it's not a volume mascara, it's not a density enhancing mascara. It is a definition mascara that is longer and more black and defined, crisp looking lashes. I guess that's what they promise. This one contains 10 milliliters. It's in the shade M01. I am guessing it is black. I do not want to open it yet, because I have like 3 already open tubes of mascara. I do not plan on using them, like just finishing them in the next month. So when I'm done with that, I will open this one and let you know how I like it. But you know, I try to stay loyal to things I like. For example, I used to love, absolutely love all the L'Oreal mascaras. I really like them. The False Lash mascara, the Collagen 24 Hours mascara. I really love those. But turns out that L'Oreal does test on animals, so I just stopped buying their products until they stop testing on animals. So I moved to other brands like Catrice, Essence, Wet n Wild, and I have found pretty good options, and I try to stay loyal to what I like and what I know, just because mascaras can be tricky. They can, you know, smudge on you, they can just not work at all, they are tricky. So I don't know, I won't be opening this one just yet, but I will let you know how I like it. Now, the price of this product is €6.99, which is, you know, in the normal realm of mascara prices. So it's, you know, it's an average price for a mascara. It's not expensive, it's not cheap, it's like right there in the middle. So yeah, I will try it out, I will let you know. But for now it's like okay, product for me. And there you go, guys. Those are all the things that came in my December body box. To be honest, I didn't really see the theme of the box reflected on the products of the box. Like, yeah, the gold patches for the eyes are golden. That's really Christmassy. And I don't know, the mascara, I guess, I don't know. It's just I didn't see it. There's other boxes that is like summer and you can tell all of the products, you know, reflect that theme, but I didn't get that feeling with this box. But all in all, as I like to say, it was a pretty good box. There are products that I'm more excited about, there are products that I'm not that excited about, and then there's products that I won't be using just because they don't color match me, but it is a pretty okay box. It was a good December box. So there you go, guys. That was my December body box unboxing video. I hope you really like it. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. If you're also subscribed to Bodybox, just let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. What are your opinions and feelings on these products? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Just leave it down there in the comment section below. And if not, you know, I will leave you my email, my Tumblr, my Instagram and my Twitter, just in case you want to contact me over there. But we'll see each other anyway in the next video. Ciao ciao!